$600. If this is your budget for building the ultimate gaming PC, then this video is for you. With this PC, you will be able to play every game on earth at 1080p resolution with ultra settings. Let's get started. So for the processor, we are choosing the Intel Core i3-12100F. This one costs around $105, and according to many popular YouTubers, this processor is the best value for money gaming processor of 2022. Now this processor has 3.3 GHz base clock speed, which is enough for day-to-day usage, and it also has 4.3 GHz boost clock speed, so it will give you an excellent performance in gaming. And some benchmark results shows that this processor can even handle an RTX 3080. So overall, it's a bang for buck processor for gaming, and it has 4-core and 8-thread, which will give you medium level performance in productive level workload. And keep that in mind, this processor is an F variant, so you will definitely need to add an external graphics card to get the display output. Then for the motherboard, we are using the ASRock B660M motherboard. This one costs around $99, and for only $100 you are getting 4 RAM slot, where you will be able to use memories in dual channel configuration to get the best performance. You will get a PCIe Gen 4 SSD support, where you will be able to use super fast NVMe SSD. You will get a larger heatsink in the VRM section, so you won't see any thermal throttling. Now comes the main part of our build, the graphics card, and we are using a Radeon RX 6600 graphics card. This one costs around $215. Now if I tell you, just 2 to 3 months ago, this RX 6600 are selling for more than $400, and this graphics card can run any modern games of this planet at 1080p resolution with ultra plus settings. So if you want to entry into 1080p gaming, this graphics card is all you need. Then for the RAM, we are using the Corsair Vengeance LPX 16GB RAM. Now we are using 2 sticks, each of them are 8GB, so in total we will get 16GB. And as we are using 2 RAM sticks, so we will be getting dual channel memory, so we will get the best performance out of our build. And this 3200 MHz RAMs comes with excellent heatsink, which will prevent those RAMs from getting overheated. And for only $48, they are offering excellent value for money. Now for the SSD, we are using the Samsung 980 500GB SSD. This one costs around $50 and have up to 3500 Mbps read-write speed, so this will give you an excellent performance in your PC. To give you a real life idea, your PC will boot significantly faster, your games will load faster, your softwares will load faster, and you will get an excellent experience from your PC if you install this NVMe in your PC. Then for the power supply, you are using the Thermaltake Tough Power 500W 80 plus gold certified power supply. Now this one costs around $60, and reason for choosing this power supply is this is a 80 plus gold certified power supply, which means all of your components will be safely power delivered. And this Thermaltake power supply also comes with a 5-year plus warranty, so you will be worry free for next 5 years. And for the casing, we are choosing the Deepcool Matrix 55V3 at RGB. As you can see, this case looks awesome, and those fans are ARGB fans, so you can change their color individually. So overall glassy black and white design, so it looks excellent, but casing is completely up to you. Choose whatever you find cool. All those components will cost around $656 including shipping. Thanks for watching.